Come back home, my darling. DJ Vic, Donoso, the third remix. Your coat still hangs by the door. Your mug still marks the counter. I keep the porch light on, like you might step in any hour. I fold your side of the bed, then lose my mind at midnight. The house knows your name by heart. It sounds like a quiet goodbye, but I'll still save your place at the table in the dark. And I'll still hear your laugh when the wind shakes up the yard. Come back home, my darling. Come back home to me. Come back home, my darling. I can't sleep alone, you see. Come back home, my darling. I'm still where you left me. Come back home, my darling. Put your hands back in mine, please. I drove by the old red bridge where we carved our names in summer. The paint is peeling off now, but I swear I still remember. DJ Vic, Donoso, the third remix. Your hand in the grocery store, your smile in the rain at the station. Every road I take to town turns back to your location. And I keep calling your phone, like the silence might break. I keep talking to the moon, like it knows the road you take. Come back home, my darling. Come back home to me. Come back home, my darling. I can't sleep alone, you see. Come back home, my darling. I'm still where you left me. Come back home, my darling. Put your hands back in mine, please. If you're lost, I'll find you. If you're scared, I'll stay. I'll leave the front door open. I'll save your plate. I don't need forever, just tonight, just now. Walk back through this silence and show me how. Come back home, my darling. Come back home to me. Come back home, my darling. I can't sleep alone, you see. Come back home, my darling. I'm still where you left me. Come back home, my darling. Put your hands back in mine, please. Come back home. Come back home, my darling. DJ Vic, Donoso, the third remix.